thousands of international students are coming here to Canada hoping that they can apply for the postgrad work permit. However, that's not always the case because some of them were got scammed. And this is actually alarming, where it led me to make this video. Hey guys, it's me again, Coach MC, appearing for another Friday video, and today we are going to talk about the schools that you should avoid and why do you need to avoid these schools, and what if you are already enrolled to this school, how can you avoid it and how can you transfer to the right school. We are going to tackle that in this video. Make sure that you are subscribed and like this video so that many aspiring international students will be aware about this. The main reason why I have to create this video is that there are a lot of students approaching me and asking me about private schools without postgrad work permit. And I really wanted to emphasize that postgrad work permit is so important if you really wanted to settle here in Canada. Sadly, some agencies give them false hope that they will be able to get the sponsor here after completing the program. However, that's not always the case. So you also need to have a backup plan, which is having a postgrad work permit. This postgrad work permit will be able to help you gain Canadian experience here in Canada. Getting a sponsor in Canada is difficult, especially if you will require a positive LAMIA. And this LAMIA is hard to get here in Canada because they have to prove that they weren't able to get any residents or Canadians to fulfill that job. So first thing that you have to do, if you're still in the planning stage, you still have a chance to choose the right school. So you have to verify if the school has the postgrad work permit. So simply go to CIC website and type in DLI school. And once you're on that page, make sure that you select your preferred province, and that will show the full list of schools in British Columbia, for example. And by looking at it, it will show you if the school has the postgrad work permit or without the postgrad work permit. So make sure that you verify this first before enrolling yourself to a Canadian school. What if you are already enrolled to a private school without a postgrad work permit? What do I do next, MC? So now I would advise you, and I will highly recommend that you transfer to a public school with a postgrad work permit. Yes, you can transfer to a public school, but I would highly suggest that you do that once you cross the border. Why am I saying that? Because as per IRCC, if you transfer to a Canadian school, if you're outside Canada, you might want to apply for a study permit again. So that will be a pain in the ass. Personally, SED Planner helped some students transferring from a private school to a public school, and they were able to obtain the letter of acceptance from a public school once they are here in Canada. So it's easier for you to transfer to another DLA school once you're inside Canada, so that you don't have to apply for a study permit again. The only problem that I can see here while you're transferring to a new school is that getting into a new program, because some of the programs here, once you arrive, it's either closed or waitlisted. So it's harder for you to get into a new program. So you have to make sure that you connect with admission right away. If not, please do connect with me, because it's easier for me to check the programs that are still open for you. And one more thing. If you're transferring to a new school, there is a chance that you won't be able to get a refund back from the private school. This is a hidden policy that you have to be aware of. If you want to watch this video, there's a lot more about it. So now, once you obtain your letter of acceptance from your new school, the next thing that you have to do is inform IRCC. Yes, you still have to tell them whenever you change your school here in Canada. You just have to do that by logging into your GC Key account and select the transfer from DLI school. And then it will ask for your student number and application number and etc. So make sure that you do that even before you start your program to a new school. So what if you did not inform the IRCC. So now what's gonna happen next is you have to go back to your home country. They might deport you, so make sure you still do this, okay? It's easy to inform IRCC, so do not forget this step. If you still have further questions, comment below. Are you in a private school? Are you transferring to a public school? Comment below and we will try to answer that. And again, we do help students on obtaining their letter of acceptance to a new school. So if you need help, we are happy to do so. And you can also attend our live event that we do every single week. Make sure that you visit my description box for more information. Thank you again. This has been Coach MC, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.